But
Yes.
going back to Secretary Singson, everyone is talking about him as sana siya na lang. Pero parang ayaw na ayaw daw niya eh. Baka ano yun siya ng misis niya, di ba? Parang wala na.
Well,
Stress na
dati,
stress daw siya eh.
more than a year ago, na-float siya as
Water secretary.
possible secretary nung a new Department of Water.
Yeah.
Pero hindi natuloy, hindi naging batas, hindi naging department. So, paano? May expertise din siya dyan eh.
Correct.
Binanata nga niya yung mga flood control sa
Right.
Central Luzon. Anong klaseng flood control
Correct,
yan? No?
correct.
So, katabi pa siya ni Presidente. No? Nakita ko si Presidente, binabanatan yung kongresista sa Pampanga dahil doon sa kanilang flood control projects na gumuho. No?
At
katabi
BBM
niya.
explained also.
Yes,
Scientifically.
naliwanag
Galing ni
niya.
BBM
Nagulat
pala.
ako eh.
Galing ni BBM
Tapos katabi niya si Babe Singson.
Oo,
No?
galing.
Nung nangyari.
And you could see Singson was nodding when BBM was explaining
that was
the whole topographical analysis.